Tagalog. Ay, Bisaya. One. Bu.
Bu.
We're gonna show you our groceries. We have carrot, of course, mais, and we also bought broccoli. Meron tayong asparagus. This is our antioxidant drink, and we got some potatoes. We got some baby spinach. Get this chicharon pampa HB. Oh wow. Bless this home with love and laughter. Family rules, always tell the truth, love, and dream big. Love makes a house. I bought some meat 2 years ago. Yan. Fresh from the farm. And then meron tayong muscle milk, water, antioxidant drink, tapos nag-marinate na ako ng steak. Yan. Labas na natin yun kasi magluluto tayo. And then meron tayo ditong bread, oranges, carrots, and then yan. Tapos more water. Guys, come here, love. You say hi.
Hello, everyone.
Camera shy. Ayusin mo. Ha? Bu?
Buya. Buya.
Guys, he learned Tagalog. Ay, Bisaya. One. Bu?
Bu.
One.
Yaya.
No! Ayusin mo.
Uy.
Bu?
Bu.
Yag.
Yag.
Buyag.
Buyag. Buyag.
Ang hirap turuan. Ito yung ating steak. O, see? Yung steak. Tapos meron tayong asparagus. Then, maglulutuin ko daw yung broccoli. Ayan. Tapos mag-brown rice. Yung banana. Cover yung ating rice at madaling maluto. There, watching football.
Clay Martin still the head of the snake of this group. And doing a great job. This is a reward for officials across the NFL to actually get these.
Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung likod. Look at the back view. Nag-melt yung snow guys. Nakita niyo yung white na yan? Yan, snow yan. Since maaraw nga siya. Yan, nag-melt lang sila. Ayan guys. So wala na rin siya dito. Kanina meron. Yan. Ayan, let's go and itutour ko kayo sa paligid. Guys, tignan nyo naman. Diba? Now, we have to take pictures together.